Today we're going to install these handles I bought from Amazon. Link in the description if you want to buy it. They're pretty heavy, pretty good. I really like the way it feels. So I'm trying to make this video real quick. We're going to put handles here. You can see the difference, like so boring, so plain. But with this here, it's gonna look so nice and good. And also right here. And also on these cabinets right here. So let's get to it. Let me show you what comes in the box. There's like 32, I believe, handles. They come with the screws already. You can see they're inside. And I'm also putting in the description where you can buy this. It's really, really, really good. This is going to help you to put the handle like in the middle, or like to know where to put it. Like for example, here, you put it like this, and then you know where to put it. I already got a measuring tape, measure from here to here, and it's 16 inches. So I got a pencil and I made a, right there, I made a little line right there where the 8 is, right here. So now you just get this, and there's a little arrow right there. So you just put it like this. Let me show you. And then using a pencil, you can choose where you want it. In this case, I think I'm going to be putting it right here. No, I think right here, maybe. I guess either one of those two, and then these two. And the holes align with the handle as well, as you can see. So this really comes in handy. This is pretty good. And it comes with this one as well. This is for the side handles, like this. So you can see it goes like this, and that way you can all make them all the same. So it's pretty good. So all right, let's get to it. One thing I forgot to mention, this drill comes with this package as well. So there's this too, and the drill, as you can see, the drill goes right here. And this drill is special. Look, it's pointy. All right. Okay, so again, just make sure where the middle is. You're gonna start with the drawers first. So we align the arrow right there. And I'm going to be putting it on the 4th hole. So 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. So I'm just gonna make right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make one right here. Okay, so here they are. So right there and right there. All right, and now it's just simple. Just get the drill and make the hole. Just be careful. Maybe you guys have something inside so that you don't damage it. And all right, let's get to it. You can use a normal Phillips screwdriver or a drill if you want to speed up the process. Just be careful. Okay, right there. Okay, wow, it looks really nice already. You can see. I like it. And it's really in the middle, so that's good. Perfect. Now I'm going to do the other ones, and then I'll show you a before and after. Okay, and for these ones, use this template. Again, this one has the same measurements like you see. I don't know if you guys can tell. You can use the holes So just make sure where you want to drill the holes, and make sure it's all the same for all the other cabinets, the same measurements. So get a pencil and mark where you're going to make the holes, and do the same for all the other ones so everything can be perfect. Okay, I already have the measurements for this one. So here we go. With this one, we're going to be using the smaller. You see how there's two sizes? So I'm going to be using the smaller one because the big one is too big. Let me show you the difference. You see? It's coming out a lot. And look at this one. So. Okay, you can see the difference. All right, you can see how it looks way better than before. Let's see if I can show you like this. You see? So I like the way that's coming up. So I'm going to do the same for all the other ones and show you guys the before and after. Hopefully you guys like it. Alright guys, this is the way it looks now, and honestly I really enjoy, well, I really like the way it looks. I don't know if you guys like it. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys like it, but from what it was before and now, I really like it. So I also added up there. It's really good, and honestly it took me about an hour, max an hour and a half, but not really, so like an hour. And it's a fun project. Funny story, I messed up here. I made a hole. Let me show you. Here's the thing. Oh, I'm just showing you guys this so you guys don't make the same mistake. So I added the first hole right here, and then I added the one in the bottom. So I was supposed to do it here on this one, but I did it in the bottom. But it's fine. I mean, you can still fix this. So yeah, I'm gonna fix it later. But other than that, I really, like I said, I really like the way it looks. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys like it too, the before and after. And if you like this kind of videos, this kind of content, consider subscribing. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.